Ever wondered if your payroll could run itself? Well, you're in for a treat today as we dive into the world of QuickBooks and its automated payroll features. Have you ever found yourself drowning in spreadsheets, frantically calculating employee hours, taxes, and deductions? If so, you're not alone. Many small business owners and HR managers struggle with the complexities of payroll management. But what if I told you there's a solution that could make your payroll worries disappear? Enter QuickBooks Payroll, a powerful tool designed to simplify and automate your payroll process. But does it really do payroll automatically? Let's find out. QuickBooks Payroll offers a feature called Auto Payroll, which allows businesses to set up and run payroll automatically. This means that once you've set it up, QuickBooks can handle your payroll without you having to manually input data every pay period. It's like having a personal payroll assistant working 24/7. But how does it work? Let's break it down. First, you need to set up your employees in the system. This includes entering their personal information, tax details, salary or hourly rate, and default hours if they're hourly employees. Once this initial setup is complete, you're ready to enable Auto Payroll. To turn on Auto Payroll, you'll need to sign into QuickBooks Online as the primary admin, navigate to the payroll settings, and look for the Auto Payroll box. Click on Edit, and select the employees you want to include in Auto Payroll. Remember, this feature works best for salaried employees or hourly workers with consistent schedules. After you've selected your employees, save your changes, and voila! Your Auto Payroll is set up. But don't worry, QuickBooks doesn't just run wild with your payroll. It gives you plenty of control and keeps you informed every step of the way. 2 business days before each scheduled payday, you'll receive an email with details of the upcoming payroll. This gives you a chance to review and make any necessary adjustments. After the payroll has been processed, you'll receive another email confirmation. You can then sign into QuickBooks Online to view or print paychecks if needed. Now, you might be wondering, what if I need to make changes? Don't worry, QuickBooks has got you covered. You can easily make adjustments for the upcoming Auto Payroll run. This could include adding bonuses, changing hours for hourly employees, or updating salary information. Simply access the employee's profile and make the necessary changes before the payroll is processed. But what about taxes? Here's where QuickBooks Payroll really shines. As a full-service payroll provider, it automatically calculates paychecks, deducts payroll taxes, including state and federal income, Social Security, and Medicare taxes, and remits those taxes on your behalf. It even prepares end-of-year tax filings and draws up W-2 and 1099 payroll tax forms, submitting them to the IRS for you. Now let's talk about some of the standout features that make QuickBooks Payroll a game-changer for businesses. First up is the next day and same-day direct deposit feature. Depending on your QuickBooks Payroll plan, you can offer your employees either next day or same-day direct deposit. This means you can submit payroll as late as 5 p.m. Pacific time the day before payday and still ensure your employees get paid on time. Talk about cutting it close. Another fantastic feature is the ability to split earnings by location. This is particularly useful for businesses with multiple locations or remote workers. QuickBooks Payroll can automatically allocate earnings to different locations, making it easier to track labor costs across your business. But what about leave management and terminations? QuickBooks has thought of that too. The system can automatically calculate leave entitlements based on your company's policies. When an employee requests leave, the system updates their pay accordingly. And if you unfortunately need to terminate an employee, QuickBooks can automatically calculate their final pay, including any accrued leave payouts. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what about compliance? How can I be sure everything is above board? Well, QuickBooks has built-in compliance features to help keep you on the right side of the law. It stays up to date with the latest tax regulations and labor laws, automatically applying these to your payroll calculations. This means you can rest easy knowing your payroll is compliant with current legislation. But what if your business uses specific awards or agreements? Good news! QuickBooks Payroll can handle that too. You can set up rule sets based on your awards or agreements, and the system will automatically apply these when calculating pay. This is particularly useful for businesses in industries with complex pay structures or those operating under specific industrial awards. Now let's address the elephant in the room. What if something goes wrong? While QuickBooks Payroll is designed to be accurate and reliable, we all know that technology isn't infallible. That's why QuickBooks offers a tax penalty protection feature. If you receive a federal, state, or local payroll tax penalty due to a QuickBooks payroll error, they'll help resolve it with the agency and pay all associated penalties and interest. But automation isn't just about running payroll. QuickBooks also automates many other aspects of payroll management. For instance, it can automatically generate and distribute payslips to your employees. They can access these through the QuickBooks Workforce Portal or mobile app, reducing the need for paper payslips and making it easier for employees to access their pay information. Another area where automation shines is reporting. QuickBooks Payroll can automatically generate a wide range of payroll reports, from basic payroll summaries to detailed tax liability reports. These reports can be scheduled to run automatically at set intervals, providing you with regular insights into your payroll data without you having to lift a finger. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. QuickBooks Payroll offers several pricing tiers to suit different business needs. While the exact pricing can vary, the automated features we've discussed are generally available across all plans. The higher tier plans offer additional features like same-day direct deposit, time tracking, and HR support. But what about the setup process? Is it as complicated as it sounds? Actually, it's quite straightforward. QuickBooks provides a setup wizard that guides you through the process step by step. You'll need to enter some basic information about your business and employees, set up your pay schedules, and configure your tax settings. Once that's done, you're ready to start running payroll automatically. Of course, no system is perfect, and there are a few things to keep in mind when using auto payroll. First, it works best for employees with consistent pay, salaried employees, or hourly workers with stable schedules. If you have employees with variable hours or frequent overtime, you may need to make manual adjustments more often. Also, while auto payroll can save you a lot of time, it's still important to review each payroll run before it's finalized. This helps catch any potential errors or oversights before they become problems. So, to answer our original question, yes, QuickBooks does do payroll automatically, and it does it quite well. From calculating wages and taxes to filing tax forms and generating reports, QuickBooks Payroll automates a wide range of payroll tasks. This automation can save businesses significant time and reduce the risk of errors, allowing you to focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down in payroll administration. But remember, automation is a tool, not a replacement for human oversight. While QuickBooks Payroll can handle most of the heavy lifting, it's still important to stay involved in your payroll process. Regular reviews and audits can help ensure everything is running smoothly and catch any issues before they become problems. If you're a small business owner or HR manager looking to simplify your payroll process, QuickBooks Payroll's automation features are definitely worth considering. They offer a powerful combination of convenience, accuracy, and compliance that can transform the way you handle payroll. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.